Hi guys, nice to see you again. Today I will show you how to start the engine and warm up to the working temperature. This is Honda Accord 1992. Yes. Now let's start. You can see how the engine start and warm up. Yes. Let's start. Okay. Turn on the engine. Yes. Yeah. And then start the engine. You can see. Yes, this is cold start. Yes, the engine is warming up around 100, 1100 RPM. Yes, you see here, the temperature go is still cool. Yes. Here, RPM is now around 1200 revolution per minute. Yes, you see here. This Honda Accord has no error code, no check engine light, and we can see it is warming around more than 2 minutes, around 2 minutes and a half, and it will its engines will reach the working temperature. Yes, we can see here 1200 RPM. Warming. I just took a trip about more than 200 kilometers just yesterday. More than 200 kilometers from Ho Chi Minh City to Bến Tre province, back and forth. Yes, till now the temperature still cold. You can see, and it's still not coming up. Starting, you can see a little bit lower. You can see a little bit lower, and then you can see the temperature is coming up. Yes, the temperature is coming up. Wow, you can see going up. The temperature is coming up, and the RPM idling is going down. Yes. This is controlled by the thermostat of the engine. Yes, the thermostat is working properly, and you can see it will warm the engine up. Yes, around more than 2 minutes. Yes, you can see it's still warming, still warming. After the engine, yes, you can see RPM is lowering down, lowering, around 800 RPM. Yes, about 800 RPM. And the engine temperature is coming up. At this point, the cooling fan still not working, still not running. When engine is up and the thermostat is fully open, the cooling fan will run. Yes, you can see the RPM is lowering down around 600 RPM. You can see here, yes, a little bit lower than the manufacturer setting, a little bit lower, and you can see the temperature is up already. Yes, and this process is around more than 2 minutes. Yes. Okay, so at this point the engine's already warm up. Yes, and everything is good. Now we can run the car now. Yes, so that is how my engine is warming up. Yes, you can see if your engine is warming up a little bit slower, a little bit longer, it is maybe you should check your thermostat. Yes, it can be stuck open. Yes. Okay, I think that's enough for this video. Yes, thank you so much for your watching. Yes, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.